Maganda po siya.
Although nasa Qatar kami na, but we are happy seeing you that you bumalik ka na sa church last month. Okay? You are now back on your own place, and we pray that you blessed by God as you again minister to our brethren there in Dasma. Love you po.
Pastor Romel, welcome po. Maraming salamat po at nakabalik ulit kayo ng matibasay sa ating bansa at puso sa ating pagkailan niya, Pastor. Pastor, welcome, Pastor.
Pastor Romel, una po sa lahat, first of all, welcome.
Oh, cheers, cheers, cheers! Ay, happy birthday.
Ay, birthday ko si
Birthday ni Emil.
Birthday ko, anak ko.
Sabay-sabay ulit, welcome.